Alden with your update. Yan sa post ni Mami Beth. Yung kahapon pala ay may taping si Alden ng Pulang Araw. Grabe yun, napaka-busy ni Alden. May picture pa nga siya syempre kay Alden dyan sa taping. Yan, nasa likod pa nga si Laysam, photo bomber. Yan sa taping ng Pulang Araw sa Lipa, Batangas. Yan pa nga yung tent nila. Yan, saan sila nag-taping. Ito, IG story ni Alden. Yung balik na top 2, yung movie ni Alden na 5 breakups in a romance. Grabe yun, just a Prime Video. Ay, 145 days lang.
USA. See you on Global Pinoy on August 9 sa City National Group, Anaheim.
US.
For tickets, please contact Sky Beverly Hills Marketing.
And check their phone numbers below for more details. See you Global Pinoy. See you.
Yun, Nabangan si Alden doon. Ito naman, during Sikhayan Festival sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ayan si Alden. Kasama si Mayor Arlene Arcelas. Ayan, pinagkaguluhan dyan si Alden. Ayan, gwapo ni Alden. Ayan, naka-shades pa. Ito naman, during Grand Media Conference ng Pulang Araw. Ayan naman, Casino Plus, during Casino Plus event. Daming mga ganap ni Alden. Ayan si Alden at Laysan, sama rin. Kasama kayo ng anak ko.
Ako po si Alden Richards, gumaganap
Ito
bilang
pa
Eduardo
habang
de
kay
la Cruz
Alden.
and meet and greet the cast of Pulang Araw
Meet and
this Saturday,
greet,
July
Pulang
13,
Araw cast.
happening at the first ever Pinoy Con at One Ayala, Makati. Limited edition Pulang Araw merch will be available and get a chance to have the cast sign your merch that day. So see you guys there and makita-kita po tayo. One Ayala, Makati on July 13 at 4 p.m. po. See you guys there.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update. Ito po ang Mature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.